Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 29. A $36 shirt is on sale for 25% off. If Jessica buys the shirt, how much will she pay if there is an 8% sales tax? Again, since they're asking us for the final price that Jessica will need to pay for this shirt after the discount, including the tax, I would urge you to use the new over original form of solving this. I'm going to go ahead and work here with saying this is the change over the original, and our change for the first part is 25% off. And again, what that means, if it costs $100, they're going to take $25 off. So to figure out what the new price would be, take 25 off of the 100, so 100 minus 25, the new amount is going to be 75. That is our new for using our new versus the original. So we are going to say that it's 75 over 100, and now this is saying that if it costs $100, after they take off the discount, you have to pay $75. The original cost of the shirt is $36. We're looking for the new price. So cross multiply, you get 100x equals 75 times 36. $2,700. Divide by 100, and you come up with that the new price is $27. This is the price of the shirt on sale. You're not finished. There is an 8% sales tax in this state. So again, I'm going to go over here and say that is the change over the original. If it cost $100, the state sales tax is going to add $8 onto it. Okay, so again, to figure out our new price, tax is an amount that gets added on. Add 8 onto the 100. Our new amount is going to be 108 if our original is 100. If it cost $100, you would have to pay $108 when you have the tax included. The original amount, again, has to match up from side to side. That will be our $27, and we're looking for the new cost after we add the tax on. So cross multiply, you get 100x equals 108 times 27. Calculator time again. 108 times 27, and we come up with 2916. And so we get 2916. X is being multiplied by 100, so you divide by 100, and you get your answer being $29.16. Okay, this is the this is the amount Jessica must pay. So Jessica must pay $29.16 for the shirt. Okay, that's one way to do it. If you're doing this as change over original, you have to think about that when you solve the proportion, you're going to have the amount that you have to change the price. So in this case, 25 over 100, our original is still, at this point, is the original cost of the shirt, $36, and this will be figuring out the change, and that's X, so 100X equals 25 times 36, which is 900, divide by 100, and you get X equals 9. But that is a $9 decrease because this is the sale part of the problem. So now it is going to be 36 minus 9. We come up with our new price as $27. The sale price is $27. Change over original again. This time this is the tax, the amount that gets added on. Our original amount now is this sale price, $27. We're looking for the amount of tax. Okay, that is the change, but yes, it is our tax amount. So cross multiply, you get 100x equals 8 times 27, and you come up with 216. 216 divide by 100, and you get x equals 2.16, $2.16. That is the amount of tax added on to the cost of the shirt, 27 plus 2.16. I hope you guys could do that without a calculator. It is going to be $29.16, $29.16. So again, Jessica has to pay $29.16.